Yo, what is going on, you guys? Edward here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you a brand new money making strategy that you can use right now in order to start to make some passive income by the end of today's video. So make sure you watch it from the beginning till the end so you know exactly what you need to do in order to start to make some money today. So let's get started right away with today's money making method. So in today's video, guys, we're coming back to freebitcoin.in. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this website, and if you have stuck around for this channel the last week, I'm pretty sure you've seen a couple of videos about freebitcoin.in. I just wanted to show you like an updated version really quick, guys, so do not exit out of this video. I want to show you what is possible whenever you actually get started with methods that I'm showing you in today's video. So if we just come straight over here to the premium, and I'll explain what freebitcoin.in is later on in this video, guys. I just want to get you guys started up and running and showing you what is profitable or how you can actually make money with this. You can already see my token value really hasn't changed since the last couple of videos, but if you do see the BTC value, it has changed, almost doubled, guys. So if we just click right here where it says search Google for this number or for whatever I was trying to search it in, so BTC2 USD, this morning it was actually at $630, I believe. I bought in around fun token around the 0.03 mark, or like right here somewhere. I bought in, and then you can just see from this point forward it just started to climb up. I spent around $300 or $400 inside of this right here, guys, in order to get that 12,500 mark. So I believe this one. So in order to get to that, guys, I spent around $400 or $300, around there. I'm not too sure the exact number, but you can see the value has already doubled, and it looks like it's just going to keep on going up from here, guys. We will have our little downfalls. I'm actually going to show you how you can actually start to make some money by using this strategy that I'm about to show you in this video, guys. And I've talked about this strategy in the last video about freebitcoin.in. Make sure you go over there and check it out so you can see my income has grown from that video to this video in that short amount of time period. Now, the cool thing about freebitcoin.in is that it has been around for quite some time, guys, and they recently just added in this premium benefits, and you can see that you need at least the sweet spot in order to get, I guess, the maximum amount of benefits. I would say would have to be around 12,500 fun tokens. I showed you a way how you can actually get a one token at a time for free, pretty much, if you just stay consistent and have a decent balance inside of your account. I already explained to you guys on the last video why I don't have really anything inside of this account. Reason being is just because I already have a lot of money in here. I do not want to lose that plus what I have inside of my account, just in case this website disappears by tomorrow. Now, nobody knows when these websites disappear. This has been around since 2013 or 2014, if I'm correct. And so, guys, nobody knows. Try not to take a lot of risks inside of platforms like these or anything in crypto. Always have that crypto moving from one spot to the other, just so you can lever out your risk into different platforms, just in case one of them disappears by tomorrow. So I want your guys' opinion. Should I take out my crypto now since I doubled it already and not really worry about the interest rate boost? Because if we come over here to the premium membership benefit details, you can see I've been holding it for at least a week already on level 2 or level 1, level 2, and level 3. So I've been already growing slowly but surely, growing up the little level system, trying to work my way up to getting 37,000, but for free, guys. I don't plan on investing any more crypto inside of this platform just because I have a decent amount of crypto already in it. I really just want this 2.5% interest, and this cashback sounds pretty decent, I would say, but it's not really worth it in my eyes because it's less than 1%. But this 2.5% interest, and once you deposit some money inside of here, imagine depositing, let's say, $1,000 inside of freebitcoin.in. How much money could you make that first day, guys, in return, and then just letting it compound by tomorrow, the next day, the next day, the next day, and then eventually taking out your initial investment, which would be this right here, but in USD value, I'm gonna write it at $400, and then on top of that, guys, get another $400 from the interest that you're gonna be earning from here once you have reached that 2.5% daily interest inside of this premium membership benefits. And then you can start to just play with free money. You have your money outside of this account, and you're starting to expand it, that same amount of crypto, into different platforms. And that is how I use my cryptocurrency. I get it from one platform, transfer it to another platform, just like this, guys, $600, and I started off with 400 or 300 around there, and now it's going to keep on growing and growing and growing. So what I can easily do is just withdraw this money, put it on a different platform, 300 each, and then just keep on letting that crypto go, because I'm already in profit just off of the token value alone and the fun token, guys. So for those of you who do not know what freebitcoin.in is, it is a website that is, or it's a faucet that pays you out every single hour a small percentage of Bitcoin. And in order for you to actually grow this, which is really kind of interesting, is you have to either play the multiplier, bet on events, or buy lottery tickets. I would recommend you guys staying away from lottery tickets, and on events just do the multiplier. It's going to take you a longer time to get up to this number right here, but I'm going to show you something that you can do right now in order to get this number quicker every single hour, guys. Now there's one strategy that I want to show you again inside of this video. It's going to be these active bonuses, but listen to me, guys, do not exit out this video just yet. If you start off these active bonuses, I would recommend you guys just doing the reward points alone without multiplying your Bitcoin. So let's go into the more real quick. Let's go over here to rewards. You can see I'm already up to 10,000 RP reward points right now, guys. If we scroll down just a tiny bit, stay away from free Bitcoin.bonus at the moment, because it's going to exhaust your account. It's going to actually take away mostly all of these faster than what you can actually restore them. So what I would do with this, guys, is I would just stick to the reward points bonus and then use this one as much as I possibly can, so I can get a like 20,000, 40,000, 50,000 reward points, then start to use this free Bitcoin bonus right here, so I can actually get 1,000% bonus onto my free Bitcoin every hour faucet claim. So that would be 30 satoshis or 33 satoshis right there every single hour. And if I just keep on multiplying my Bitcoin right here using a multiply game, so this one right here, multiply BTC, then I can possibly start to earn more and more Bitcoin as time goes on, guys. So again, leave a comment down below, guys, if I should just withdraw my money from in here or wait for it to go up a tiny bit more. I know it's going to come down to like right here, but I'm just willing to wait. I'm thinking I really want to wait just for that 2.5% interest, but that $600 sounds really interesting to me, guys. I really want to either just take it out, or should I hold it in here and just risk it and just see what this website would take me later on in the future, guys. So leave that down below. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace. Have you ever wanted to create a video just like this that went viral, like 5 facts about coronavirus, mind-blowing obstacle illusions? Keep watching this video, guys. I know this looks like something that a lot of people talk about, but this is something that can actually work for you. Look at this. Photos that caught people cheat or being jealous. Things students did to pass exams. So look, if we go inside of any one of these videos, so here's the volume. So
like you're falling out of bed and you're sound asleep. What do? You jump straight up and you wonder what.
So as you guys can hear that volume in the background, that is something that my team is going to create for you. So that is going to be something my team is going to be able to create for you for a really cheap price, guys. They're going to be creating the videos for you. They're going to be creating the actual thumbnails for you. They're going to actually be doing the voiceovers for you. They're going to do everything that is needed to make a video on YouTube for you guys. This is going to be the easiest and simplest way to make money right now on YouTube. And there's niches. You can do this in niche. You can do it about dogs, you can do it about crabs, you can do it about cars, anything that you can think of, guys. My team is going to do it for you. And this team is actually working with the bright side. This team is actually working with the richest. So you can see all of these videos right here, guys, are what my team can do for you. Exactly the same, guys. Look at this. Warren Buffett. I think this is Joe Biden. Look at this. Dubai's 22 billion city of the future. You can see all of these videos are pretty much the same exact thing as this right here. This is my channel, my test channel. So you guys can come in, check it out, and see if you actually want to be a part of this YouTube community of actually having my team work for you guys. So it says what you didn't know about Russia that you should know. And look at this right here, guys. Watch. This right here is my YouTube course. I don't really want to call it a course. I want to call it like a, I guess, program, or just something that is going to be given to you guys. So this is what my team will do for you. My team would do the script writing, the video editing, the voiceovers, and the thumbnail. And all you have to do is just upload the video and start to make money with YouTube. Now, it all depends on you guys. It all depends on what videos you want them to make for you, and what videos could go viral and what videos don't go viral. So it just takes patience, time, and I'm going to show you the introduction to the course. Watch this. Personal contact information, channel and branding, best niches, how to get views organically, how to grow fast, a little secret, how to get 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers fast, a secret method, and that really is a secret method right there, guys. How to outsource everything without my team, how to go viral every time you upload, what to do or what to avoid when making a YouTube channel, what I would do if I started from scratch. Here is my team. Let's take action and make some money, guys. So this is going to be my results. This is going to be my I guess my program on showing you exactly how you can make money on YouTube for using my team, without even using my team, guys. Look, it says right here, how to outsource everything without my team. So guys, this is something I've created for you, a really cheap price at the moment, only $25, which is a really good investment, I would say, to get some information, some knowledge on actually making money on YouTube, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.